All right, welcome back. And honey, look at all that hair that the Weave Doctor helped her client to regrow. Before she was coming to us, she was talking about how much her hair was not growing. And because we tried to use healthy methods of doing hair replacement, her hair has now been able to grow back. Honey, we got her off of that hair relaxer. That hair relaxative, honey, that was making her hair so thin and lifeless, honey. And now that hair is growing in while she is wearing her custom unitive. All right, so now we are doing our little ball cap method. She is going to be getting a full lace Cambodian hair system, and this is completely unprocessed hair. Right now we're applying the blow dryer, making sure that we get everything sealed up. Seal it up, seal it up, okay? All right, got to warm it up. All right, so now after we do this stuff, and I love doing this stuff. A lot of people don't like to do this, that do hair replacement, but I enjoy doing it because I love the results that it gives you, after you install your full, complete hair system. So now we're just cleaning up the edges, and we cannot wait to put on this custom unit. This unit is going to last her a very, very long time because it is very high quality. And that's another thing. Right before we put on the unit, we apply adhesive and tape to make sure that her unit is going to not be lifting. And generally, she comes back about anywhere from every 4 to 6 weeks for the best results. And in that time, she's just making sure that she's sealing down her edges very flat, that she's doing this on a daily basis. All right, so now we're trying to position our hair system correctly. This is a very, very important step. If not, baby, your wig is going to be lopsided. And you're going to be looking a mess. And you're not going to get rehired for the next job. Okay? So, honey, child, I wonder, what is that piece of hair? It looks like a piece of glue or something that's stuck on my client's head. It looks like that thing is flying. I don't know what the heck that is. So, anyway, we're just applying it. And this takes some time to do this. It's good to, I typically like to do this in sections. And if you want to find out more on how to install this, then make sure to look at some of our classes that we have available for hair replacement, or you can come in and out to the Bowie, Maryland area in the DC Metro to find out how to have a one-on-one hair replacement specialist certification. All right, so now again, I told you guys it takes a little second, and some people like to put on the blow dryer during this part to make sure that they got it laying correctly, and they may be using different tools to make sure that it's lying nice and flat and smooth. And so this takes a little bit of time, but there's nothing wrong with making sure that your client hair is going to be looking the best. And the reason why we decided to go with this method, with this complete hair system, is because we want to make sure she's able to have the most versatility as possible. With this hair replacement system, she would be able to part it all over just like we're showing you guys. See how girl, look at that scalp. Girl, look at that scalp. Child, nowadays you can buy you some edges, okay? You don't have to let alopecia have any more control over you. So that's one of the advantages of purchasing you a full lace system. All right, so now we already cooled those curls, pinned them up, and so now we're trying to put her hair up and reposition it into a pin-up so that she will be able to be looking fabulous. All right, so now we're using our melting band and our wrapping strips, and this baby is going to lock those edges in, okay? Clank, clank, okay? Got to make sure those edges are laid and slaying, okay? Laying and slaying, laying and slaying. And check them out. Girl, what lace? All right, don't mess with the Weave Doctor, okay? And our client, I like this method. It's a nice, soft, oh, yes, girl, pop, put a bop on pink. This is exactly what I'm talking about, honey. And a lot of times my client, she is wearing her hair in this same position, in the same method, and she is not doing a lot of things to her hair. And she is now looking absolutely amazing. What alopecia?